Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video it's about iPhone tutorial, and I would like to show you the way how to activate the low battery or low power mode on your iPhone. So the first thing you have to do now is just go jump into the settings button. You just need to click it to open it. Whenever you open the settings, you just need to scrolling down until you found battery, and then you just need to click the battery part here, and there will be pop-up right in the upper side here. There will be two options, the battery percentage and low power mode. To activate the low power mode, you just need to click this button to make it green, and whenever it's green, so the battery of your phone will be changed from the green color become yellow. Let's take a look. Turn off it first. This is how it's green color. Whenever you activate the low power mode, the color will be changed from green to yellow, means that you already activate the low power mode on your iPhone. So that's the way how to activate low power mode on iPhone. Hopefully the tutorial today is useful for you guys. Don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel to discover more about iPhone tutorial. See you for the next video.